This India, I must reach this India. Huh? She did that today.
My son, wait, come back. I've seen you. No need to run. Eh? I've seen you. Come. You see, as you can see, I'm just coming from my house now. Because I want to come and see you for my house rent that you have been.
Okay, me, I know that they owe you. I don't tell you. No, they see. If I get money, I don't come pay you. I don't come pay you.
Oh, wait, this is the way you dress like this. Where you go like madman like this?
Yeah! Don't beg.
As I did, so
I don't beg you, say I don't get money. There's no way. See, there's no way how I go get money where I go run for you now.
Wait, okay, I don't just get dry. See, as I did so now, my money I want.
I beg. See, no carry this a wahala. Stop me from where they go so.
Me and my money now. Me and my money now wahala. You dey hear about?
OKUKO-IGBO. Where mad.
You don't know why it's going on.
See, you see that money we talk that they owe you. By the time I go this India, where they go so, you see this my bag. Now money go full and I no be Nigerian money. Oyibo people money. You don't see India people money before.
I never seen before.
Never seen that. Okay, just calculate all the money where they owe you. By the time I go this my India finish, I will prove to you say OKUKO-IGBO.
So, what should happen for India? Where done my son?
You know that my brother went to India? Don't TK. Oh no, who Chief? Oh no, who don't TK? Na India. Chief Otis. One of our Amegu.
I remember that fine boy.
Oh, Ogalandlord.
Yeah.
Ogalandlord. See, today, 8th February, my birthday. My birthday. Jesus. By the time I go this India, I come back, Ogalandlord. In fact, the money where you won't give me. Jesus. I come back. I never spell that house where you say they for GRA. Where you know if you build, I go buy them. I go buy them. Even that daughter will say you don't want to see me with.
Continue.
I go pay you 2 times of our bride price. See, Don TK is the managing director. Don TK Group of Companies Nigeria Limited. With headquarters in Mumbai, India.
So the means na billionaire don't become.
Jesus. Ogalandlord. Odogu Abroga name.
My brother.
Men, OKUKO-IGBO men. Don TK is one of them. Don TK na Mumbai.
See, all these things where they talk.
If I got this in bed, they come back. The kind money
waiting I want here.
Landlord, wait.
My money be my matter.
Landlord, calm down. And see, from next week now, I don't like talking too much. Anything, Pakam, I give you $1.
So you bring me my money.
I tell you calculate every money, including your wife. I go buy them.
Are you normal?
Buy my wife.
Are you normal?
Well, wait. You should say you carry $1 come back.
Oh, girl, now you waiting. Now you be waiting at the tell you so now. I be waiting. But okay, I get one problem. I beg, my transport not complete. My transport not complete. If you borrow me, I don't know whether you get to. I know that they owe you money. You understand? I never pay. But if you borrow me, if I come back, I go settle you once and for all.
Like how much you need now so that you borrow? But when they come back, you go add down to my $1.
No, any amount where you get. In fact, I can see you can even empty your account if you get.
Empty my account.
Empty your account, I go pay you. Times 2. Make them 3.
It is what it is.
I don't get much something share, but
oh my God! I bet make I just complete my transport because this person where I won't go see now, I can't afford to miss his birthday. You understand? Yeah. I don't fit because if I miss an now something go.
Nah. I don't get plenty something.
Okay, anyhow, make I use.
Yeah, but just hold this one. Just.
Okay, don't worry. If I come back, if I come back, I swear to my. If I don't pay you down, my name must to bite me.
He fucked up. I go jam you. You go back to my house.
Yes. I beg, no verse. You know where I feel sick. Keke go carry me go India.
Jesus is Lord.
Keke na pep.
Keke, you know if you go India, keke na pep.
Wow. Happy birthday to you, Don TK. We, the Primecomedytv crew, want to wish you happy birthday. May God bless you and increase it. We love you. Bye.